Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful hat for spring. I use 3mm hook and yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn, tie it, make slip knot, yarn over, make chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert your hook into this first chain. Hide this yarn under a stitch. Pull through 2 yarns together and make a slip stitch. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over, stitch first round in this ring. Yarn over, go to this ring, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 chain, make 1 double crochet, pull through 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and continue like this for first round. 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 11, 11. We make 11 double crochet in here. With these chains we have 12 stitches in first round. Make a chain, go to this chain, top of first chains, slip stitch, make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over, go to this, I show this stitch, go to this hole, pull up yarn, make 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, go to this hole, top of this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2 double crochet, and make chains after every double crochet stitch. Yarn over, go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, make 2 double crochet in every stitch until this stitch. Go to last stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to this chain, top of the first chains, slip stitch, make 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, yarn over, go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, top of this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 double crochet, 1, 2 double crochet, 1 chain, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, double crochet, 2 double crochet, like this. Continue for this round like this. 2 stitch, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1, and continue until here. Go to last stitch. In here, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to this stitch, top of first chains, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains. In third round we have 36 stitches. Yarn over, go to this hole, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to next hole, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to this hole, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, continue like this. 2 1 1, in here 2 stitch, make 1 2, go to next stitch, make 1, go to next stitch, 1, go to next stitch, 1 2, continue like this. 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 until here. Make 1 double crochet in last 2 stitch, make 1 chain, go to this stitch, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains, go to this hole, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain 3 times, 1 2 3, go to next stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and continue for this round like this. 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 until here. Make 1 2 3 double crochet in 3 last stitch, go to this chain, slip stitch, make 1 2 3 4 chains, yarn over, go to first stitch, make 1 double crochet in top of this stitch, make 1 chain, go to top of this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, go to top of every stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and continue like this. 1 double crochet, 1 chain in every stitch, 4 more rounds. In here in total I have 20 rows. After 20 rows, slip stitch, make a chain, go to this stitch, go to first stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to this stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, go to this whole top of this stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2, make 2 single crochet in each stitch like this. Go to first stitch, slip stitch, make a chain, go to stitch, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Go to first stitch, slip stitch,